I'm going to create a very simple, elegant sort of low bun. Look at this hairstyle here. It's like a little low bouffant. Now what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to take out a large section on the top like this, pull the remaining hair back into a low ponytail. Take the ponytail and place the ponytail over on the side. Now take a classic Patrick Cameron hair pad, and we're going to place this hair pad right into the center of the head. There we go. Just pin that in and keep it nice and secure. Take the tail over and just tuck all of the tails into the hair pad base itself. Open it up over the hair pad, and there you go. There's our back area. Now with the front area, just bring that over, pull it over on the side, put a section clip, put some little hair grips in there to hold it, and then flip it over. Watch this. Flip it over, there we go, and use the tails now just to decorate the opposite side. This is a fantastic hairstyle using a classic Patrick Cameron hair pad.